So hello everyone, Bhogendra here. So let me show you how can you design or analyze the RCC Cantilever Retaining Wall. So before a design or analysis of any types of the structure, we need to understand what is the difference between the standard and a specification. So a standard means the things that is used for the multiple project, and we are getting the similar stability over a symmetrical shape of a structure at any worst condition, as well as a specification means the things that is limitations for the project, or it is also called the boundary conditions for the project. And before the design, we have to consider the both the standard as well as a specification while designing the any types of the structure. So we can design by the different types of the software. We can go for the NEFE based software to design the these types of the structure, or we can also use the different template that is available in Excel for the designing of these types of the simple structure. But I'm going to design these types of the structure by using the CYPE software because I have a key for this. So I'm going to consider as a new project for this, and most frequently used case that is steep foundations I'm going to consider here. And we have to consider the at the beginning of a project we have to consider what is the height required in a side. So I'm going to take as a 5 meter here, and we can go with a variable thickness also, that is a infill side or backfill side. So I'm going to take as a constant one here, so just put a next here. And we have to also consider the what is a soil property. Just I am going to take as a medium dense soil here, and we have to also consider the SBC of the soil, that is a 0.2 EMPA, that is called 200 kilonewton per meter square. And just put a next here, and we have to also consider what is a traffic load. Just I am going to consider the light traffic weight and give the finish here. So you will get all the details about the project here. So you can also consider the what is a everything here you can consider. And we know the very well what is the input, whatever the input we consider, that is called the design of the project. So just to put a shape here, and you will get all the shape here. And we have to also put the different layer at the beginning of a project. We have to also consider what is a code for the project. Just I'm going to change the code here, and I'm going to consider as IS456, but we can go for the different code also. And just general data, just go to the project or general data you can consider here. And we have a different options here. We can consider the load also. Options, in options also we have to set the what is the foundation types. Just I'm going to take as equal over hang, and just I'm going to take as just the rigid also we can consider here. And I'm not going to consider the seismic loads here over the structure. Now you can go with a different layer of the soil also. Just I am going to put as a L1 is my the first layer. And just you can also put the what is a height of the soil with a different layer. Just I am going to take as a just 3 meter. So any types of the here we have to options for the different types of the sand here. Just gravel type as a medium dense soil. Also any types of the soil whatever you have in a side you can consider the soil type. And also you can go with that is called the backfill, or that is called the infill. Also you can consider what is a backfill soil or as well as for the infill soil. Just I am going to consider here the general data. Just you can also consider the what is a infill soil type. Just I am going to consider as a dense sand, and just you put the OK here. And now you can input the loads over the soil. Just you go to the field and take the what might be the height of infill soil. Just I am going to take as 1 meter here, and just accept this. And you can also put the load over it. Just I am going to take as a load here. Just I am going to take as a uniform load here, that is 3 kilonewton per meter square. Just put OK. And now you can go for the design or analysis. Just I am going to for the analysis, and we have some error here. So you can remove these types of the error by increasing the thickness of the wall as well as the thickness of the foundation. So you can increase or decrease the what is the requirements as a load apply over the structure. And you can also generate the drawing. So go to this option, and here we have a different drawing we can generate very quickly. And here you can generate all the drawing that is required for the construction drawing. You can by very easily you can generate all the drawing that is required for the site. In this way you can design or analyze the RCC cantilever retaining wall. Hope this video might helpful for you.